Okay. Summertime, morning time, Grandpa says it's working time. Stop at the stinker station. Hop on out, don't lock the door. We know exactly what we're looking for. A hostess buying a mug of Dr. Pepper. Get to the job, then start the job. Do the job and head to the next job. Then he'll drop me off. I'll pet that old dog on the way to the garden, and I'll grab myself a corn and a carrot. Summertime, vacation time. Oh, would you know it, it's camping time. Start the old four-wheeler. Cut a stick for the fish we catch. Hope we find a huckleberry patch while we drink a mug of Dr. Pepper. Head on back and chop some wood. Make a fire that feels so good. Wrap those fish in tin. Don't forget the salt and the pepper. Then we'll toss them on in with a corn and a carrot. Times and kids are fine. Sign myself up for driving time. 23 flavors in a bag of pepper jerky. Headed on out to the next event. Every last single penny spent. I'm glad I got my mug of Dr. Pepper. When the nighttime turns to day, the moon it goes away. Lift up your head and braid your hair. Hey, hey, hey. Step out and greet the day. Get your coffee, get feeling great. It's up to you, don't you leave it to fate. Go against the grain. By the reins, good things coming your way. If I could just hold your hand, I'd be strong, I could make a stand. To the bad in my mind, all the meaning, all the hate that just seems to suffocate. And at the end of the day, good things coming my way. mind of the smog and haze of last night. Step up to the plate, keep fighting the good fight, get your head on straight. Yeah, 'cause all that good is coming your way. Hard times ain't always what they seem. Dirty hands, but your soul is clean. Hit me one more time, my friend. Wake me up. Good things coming our way.